High above the forest, where few predators can reach, a bald eagle mother is raising two helpless chicks. Every sunrise begins with hope. Hidden beneath the forest canopy, a hungry python has discovered something precious. It has only one goal: the eagle's nest. Unlike most predators, pythons don't need speed. They rely on patience, strength, and perfect timing. Long before danger becomes visible, a mother senses it. The higher the python climbs, the closer it comes to the helpless chicks. And the mother eagle has only one chance to stop it. For the first time, predator and protector meet face to face. Neither one is willing to back down. The eagle attacks first. While the war is raging below, upstairs, the children are waiting for a miserable life.